which is using tags and something called under the rigging tag, it is a Pose Morph Tag. What this does, this allows you to record point level animation data inside a tag, and then it's much easier to work with. So looking at my tag, it says, what do I want to work with? And I'm going to choose points, boom. And now I have a base pose, which is my sphere, and I have a pose 0. So let's just select some points, scale them out, go to my pose. I can add another pose. That then reverts to the base pose. Let's select a bottom rung and do the same thing. And then I go back to my tag and animate. And now I have these 2 sliders. And these 2 sliders allow me to control the point level animation with much easier use. And if I want to go back, I can always go back and edit. I can select that and then I can change it depending on what I want to do. So that's how I would do any form of point level animation.